This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. The most important field to get familiar with in order to understand and be able to work with permissions on Catenis Flow is the Events field, which is a drop-down list with 12 options. The Events field is critical to the behavior of the Set Permission Rights node, the Check Effective Permission Rights node, the List Permission Events node, and the Retrieve Permission Rights node, each of which you will learn about in subsequent tutorials. Each option in the Events field is a permission event which you wish to set permissions for. Drag a Set Permission Rights node into your Node-RED workspace, and let's go through each option in the Events field dropdown. You can use the Receive Notify New Message option to permit a device to receive notification of new messages from another specified device. You can use the Receive Notify Message Read option to permit a device to receive notification of messages read by another specified device. Use the Receive Notify Asset Of option to permit a device to receive notification of assets received for assets issued by another specified device. Use the Receive Notify Asset From option to permit a device to receive notification of assets received from another device. Use the Receive Notify Confirm Asset Of option to permit a device to receive notification of confirmation of pending assets issued by another device. Use the Receive Notify Confirm Asset From option to permit a device to receive notification of confirmation of pending assets transferred by another device. Use the Send Read Message Confirm option to permit a device to send read message confirmation to another device. Use the Receive Message option to permit a device to receive messages from another device. Use the Disclose Main Props option to permit a device to disclose the device's main properties, which are its name and unique product ID to another device. Use the Disclose Identity Info option to permit a device to disclose device's basic identification information to another device. Use the Receive Asset Of option to permit a device to receive an amount of an asset issued by another device. Finally, use the Receive Asset From option to permit a device to receive an amount of an asset from another device. Anytime you need to review these options, you can always come back to this tutorial. In our next tutorial, we'll begin our dive into specific permissions and events-related nodes, beginning with the Set Permission Rights node.